Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must begin by confirming two basics. A verified Google Pay UPI and your Flipkart account use the same mobile number. Once done, open Flipkart and pick an item that shows a Google Pay cashback offer at checkout. Make sure the offer terms match, minimum order and specific payment type. Next, choose Google Pay as the payment mode at checkout. This first action triggers the merchant side offer check, which is required before any cashback can be applied. Now complete the payment flow. When Flipkart redirects you, confirm the exact amount and merchant name inside Google Pay and approve the UPI collect or payment request. Pay attention to SMS or in-app confirmations. They prove the transaction source. After payment, return to Flipkart and ensure the order status shows paid. If Flipkart needs to validate, it will cross-check your order ID with the UPI transaction ID. Save screenshots of both the order confirmation and the Google Pay transaction for quick dispute resolution if required. Finish by monitoring the cashback timeline stated in the offer. Typically, it posts within days to weeks. Make sure Google Pay's offers or rewards section reflects the credited amount. Sometimes it appears as a wallet balance. If cashback doesn't arrive, immediately contact Flipkart support with your order ID and UPI transaction ID. Reference the exact offer name. If Flipkart cannot resolve it, escalate to Google Pay with screenshots of the Flipkart offer, the paid transaction, and any confirmation messages. This paperwork speeds up resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.